Townsend, Tennessee is where you'll discover one of the most private and secluded mountain estates to be found anywhere. This is 1255 Shuler Road. At the center of over 65 acres, this cabin offers a rich history. The original structure dates back to the 1800s and was incorporated with a newer structure built more recently. It's a two-story, two-bedroom, two-bath home with a rustic feel you'll appreciate. This very open area is complete with your dining nook and entertainment center. Past the pillars adorned with custom wood carvings, make your way to the fully updated island kitchen with counters of granite and LP gas range. A grand living room will be the center of grand gatherings, centered by this floor-to-ceiling stacked stone fireplace. Upstairs are your bedrooms, a great bunk bedroom, and in this exceptionally spacious area, your master bedroom. It looks out onto the back deck, accessible through the French doors or outside up the stone walk. The wraparound porch will provide some unforgettable views of your over 65-acre estate, perfect for hiking or hunting without restriction, or you can subdivide into separate properties. Adjacent to Cades Cove and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and with many amenities throughout the property, 1255 Shuler Road in Townsend will bring the peaceful side of the Smokies to you. Schedule your private tour with Alyssa Nickel at the Blevins Group of Realty Executives Associates at 865-999-HOME.